Hello! Today we're going to look at finding the gradient of the line between 2 points. So I've got an example here for you. So we're going to find the gradient of the line between -6,3 and 4,8. And we're going to do this in a couple of ways. The first way, we're going to use a graph to help us. And the second way, we're going to use a formula. So to the graphical way first of all. So I'm going to plot the points. So -6,3 is there. And 4,8 is there, 4 along and 8 up. So what we'd like to do is find the gradient of that line. So gradient of the line joining those 2 points. Ideally it should be a straight line. Well, that's a bit straighter. What we want to do is find a measure of steepness, a measure of gradient of this line. So one way we could do it is we could draw in a right angle triangle. And you should be familiar by now that measure of gradient is up over along. And the letter we use to signify gradient is the letter M. So what we're going to do here, we're going to count the boxes and we're going to plug it into this little formula. So boxes up in the right angle triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 boxes up, and along 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes along. The gradient is 5/10, or if we simplify that, it's 1/2. And that means for every 2 boxes you go along, you go up 1. So it's a measure of the steepness of that line. That's a graphical way. One other way is using a formula. And the formula I like is m equals y2 subtract y1 over x2 subtract x1. And what we're going to do, we're going to use these coordinates to help us. So let's call this set of coordinates up here. That's x1, y1. That's -6. -6, 3. In other words, that's our first set of x and y coordinates. And our 4, 8, let's call that x2, y2. So it's our second set of coordinates. And let's plug those into the formula. So y2, the coordinate there is 8. y1, that's that one there, the coordinate is 3, so it's 8 subtract 3 over, and we've got x2, what's that, it's 4, and x1, -6, so subtract -6. Let's simplify that. 8 subtract 3, 5, 4 subtract -6, so this becomes a plus, 4 plus 6, which is 10. And if we simplify it again, it's 1/2. So we get exactly the same answer as if we did it graphically, but we don't need to draw the graph. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.